Good day all. Welcome back to South Africa, and this is South African Prepper. So a bit of a shocking news here. Business Day article stating that the VAT increase will happen on the 1st of May. And the reason being that the minister already announced it. So how does it work? Is this a democracy? Because most of the political parties in parliament said that they're not going to allow or approve the budget specifically because of the VAT. And now suddenly we get a news article, and there's two or three of them, stating that the VAT increase will happen. This is not a democracy. Where in your life does a minister announce something and then it's law? Absolutely ridiculous. Can you believe it? So the DA and Vryheidsfront Plus and everybody screaming and shouting because of the VAT increase and not wanting to pass the budget was all senseless. Clearly, democracy in South Africa doesn't work. This is South African Prepper. Shocking, 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 shocking. God bless.